This Black Friday, SamCart is going to give away free money to digital creators. Well, kind of. Last year, more than 10,000 creators used SamCart to power their Black Friday sales. And thanks to these two little checkboxes right here, they captured an extra $9.7 million in pure profit just by tapping into something that we call expansion revenue. And this year, we're going even bigger. Now, I know what you're thinking. I know how to run a Black Friday sale. And the answer is you're probably right. But Black Friday and Cyber Monday represent your biggest opportunity to cash in on your audience. And according to a brand new report we just published by our team here at SamCart, conversions go up 29% higher on Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Plus, more than 7 out of 10 new orders will be placed by new customers. We know some things about Black Friday that you don't because we have studied the data, which means that you cannot afford to sit out Black Friday, Cyber Monday in 2023. Now, back to that free $10 million I was talking about. You know how easy Amazon makes it to go from buying one product to buying 3 or 4 or 5. Well, with SamCart powering your e-commerce, you can tap into that same power when selling your services, courses, downloads, and even physical goods. Amazon, Apple, DoorDash, and tons of other massive companies invest millions of dollars into making it easy for you and me to spend more when placing our order with them. We call those added dollars expansion revenue. And here's 3 ways that you can cash in and add expansion revenue to your Black Friday sale this year. Number 1, upgrades. Give your customers a chance to upgrade their order, all with one click, right on the same page. Move your customers from buying one course to purchasing a bundle of courses, or upgrade from a basic service package to a premium package. Let your coaching clients go from a monthly membership to an annual membership and multiply the revenue that you're collecting now. Item number 2 is order bumps. These simple little checkboxes are the key to scaling your business to new heights. Like grabbing a Snickers while checking out at the grocery store, SamCart's order bump collections give every customer a chance to tack on extra downloads, templates, strategy calls, services, or even trials to your membership while they're buying. From studying the data, no checkout on the internet is complete without at least 2 or 3 of these powerful little checkboxes. As many as 43% of new customers are happily adding extra products to their order when these are available. And lastly, number 3 is one-click upsells. After an order is placed, SamCart securely stores that customer's payment information and allows you to show all of your customers 1, 2, or 3 extra offers. This is your chance to multiply the money you keep this Black Friday, because customers can add extra products to their order with just a single click of the mouse. No more entering in their name, their email address, or anything about their payment information at all. And just like when we buy on Amazon or DoorDash or wherever, when it is easy to buy more, that is exactly what your customers will do. Now, to cash in on this expansion revenue stuff, you need the right tools for the job. Expansion revenue is the key to making and multiplying the money that you keep this Black Friday. So if you want to win Black Friday this year, make sure you dial up SamCart to help out the tech stuff. And be sure to grab our copy of the 2023 Creator Profit Report. Knowledge is power. And our 23 Creator Profit Report just got a massive update with new data that will show you more about how to make Black Friday the most profitable day of the entire year. Inside of this report, you will learn more about how creators are using expansion revenue to increase average order value by 129%. You'll discover the most popular product prices from the top creators in your niche and discover how much extra cash they're making on top thanks to those booming order value. And you'll see what top sellers in your niche are doing to bring home 6, 7, or even 9 figures this year, with an added emphasis on how to maximize your revenue from this big holiday weekend coming up. Grab your copy of the 2023 Creator Profit Report, now updated with even more data specifically to make your Black Friday a huge success. Click below to get access to this industry report for free. Creator Profit Report, link below, check it out.